my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys some little makeup bits that I picked up last weekend. Put up an Instagram poll on my Instagram stories a couple of days ago, or maybe it was like 5 days ago, who really knows anymore, and asked you if you would like to see a makeup haul. 96% of you said yes, so I thought, why not film the makeup haul? If you're not following me on Instagram, why not? Like, why? Come on now. It's going to be down below. So I thought I would share it with you guys. It would be a nice chatty video for a Sunday. And what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, I was going to tell you, if you haven't yet entered my giveaway to win the amazing Sanfilippo wing eyeliner, then please do so. I will link that video in the description box for you to go and watch and enter after watching this one. Let's get started into this haul. So first things I went to get were in Debenhams. I had a Debenhams gift voucher from Christmas and I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to use it. To be honest with you, I rarely buy high-end makeup. The only times I do buy it are... I can't get my words out. To be honest with you, I rarely buy high-end makeup. The only times that I do is A, if I get a gift card for Debenhams. Also at Christmas time, I might get a little bit of money or I might get high-end makeup products for Christmas as presents. And apart from that, if like a YouTuber comes out with a palette like the Manny and UA one with Makeup Geek, I would buy that. But more often than not, it's drugstore for me. So I always get excited when I buy some high-end products. So first thing I got with the Debenhams gift card was the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you will know that I always like to use waterproof mascara because it holds the curl up like so in my lashes. If I don't, it will fall down like so, which is not a good look for me. Trust me, I love my eyelashes to be huge. Oh, actually, this is totally off topic, but talking about eyelashes, if any of you are interested in seeing what is on my face, a tutorial on this look will be coming up on Wednesday. So make sure that you're subscribed and stay tuned for that. Hit the little bell notification as well so that you don't miss when I upload it. So I am really excited to be trying the Better Than Sex mascara. Obviously this has been out for absolutely ages, but I am going to do probably like a... What I'll do, maybe like a full face of high-end makeup. If you would like to see that, please let me know down below and give me a thumbs up and I will use this. If you don't want to see that, then I'm sure I'll be using this in a makeup tutorial coming soon. So this was £19. And the last thing I got from Debenhams was the Bare Minerals Blemish Ready Foundation. And this is in the shade, let me get the shade for you for reference, Clearly Pearl 02, and it was £27, which is hell of expensive for a foundation. But like I say, it had a gift card. I would never have spent like my actual money on that. And usually I do buy Urban Decay, but there was nothing new out at Urban Decay that I wanted, so that's why I just went and got the Bare Minerals and the mascara. Also, if you've been watching my videos for a while, I'll show you what this looks like whilst I speak. I feel like I'm on QVC. Get this for £27. This is the foundation. If you've been watching me for a while, you'll know that I love the Kiko Milano Soft Focus Foundation. That was sadly discontinued. Ooh, shed a tear for me. I'm so sad about that. Not acting it, but trust me, I do feel like a little piece of my heart is been broken and torn away. I love that foundation. But this is a powder foundation just like Kiko Milano, and it looks like so inside. I have used this already. Looks like that. So it's like a little spongy bit and you put your brush in there and go put it on your face. I feel like Bare Minerals potentially was one of the first brands to bring out like a mineral powder foundation. So that's why I opted for their foundation, and also one of my subscribers told me about powder foundation to try, and so I thought I would give it a bash. I chose this one because the other ones looked like they had glitter in it. So yeah, I'll update you on my thoughts of this. I've only used it twice, so I can't actually tell you just now, but yeah, I will update you and let you know for that. I wanted to include this palette even though I didn't buy it last weekend. I bought it a while ago, but I've not really talked about it or shown it on my channel. This is the Pressed Glitter palette from Beauty Glaze. The packaging is really pretty. When you take it out of the box, it looks like this, and then inside it looks like this. So it's got one of these clear plastic sheets, which is really good because obviously the glitter goes everywhere, but it's got all of these colours in it, which I think looks absolutely gorgeous. I can't remember how much this was, maybe like £9 or £12 or something. I got it at a beauty fair when I went with my friend just before Christmas, and I posted a picture of this on Instagram and asked you if you would like to see some looks with it, which she did, so I am definitely going to be doing that very soon. Stay tuned on the channel for that. But yeah, I definitely just wanted to kind of add it into this haul and share it with you because I'm super excited. I've been looking for a glitter palette for ages, and this one was there. It wasn't that dear, and it was shouting my name. Next up, what is a makeup haul without a little bit of makeup revolution? This is the Reloaded Iconic Division palette, which of course is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I have used this one, and I can tell you it doesn't suck as much as the ABH one does. I have never used that palette, I don't have it. I wouldn't ever buy it either, but going from the reviews, it kind of sucks. This one, on the other hand, does not. It is brilliant, as are all of Makeup Revolution's products. It was only £4 as well, and I picked it up from my local Superdrug, which is good because usually when there's new releases it takes ages to get them into my Superdrug because it's not a very big store, but this was there pretty fast, and again I just had to pick it up. The colours are so beautiful, so I definitely want to do some sort of look using this. Let me know down below if you would like to see that soon on the channel. And the last little bits that I got are from Primark. So I have done, I think, 2 videos now on the channel of testing Primark makeup. Love doing them. I'm always shocked at the quality of the Primark makeup. Like, it's so cheap and it's so good. So I thought it's about time that I did another Primark makeup testing video on my channel. So that's going to be coming soon. Probably not too soon because the next couple of videos are going to be Valentine's Day makeup and themed videos, and then I'm going to get back into just standard videos. So that's going to be coming up in the next couple of weeks. So the first palette that I got, which totally blew my mind, is the After Party eyeshadow palette. This was $4.50. Look at these colours. They are amazing. I showed a swatch on Instagram. I'm talking a lot about Instagram today, but I did show swatches of these, and everyone was like, wow, I can't believe that that's from Primark. And that was exactly like me in the shop. These are not choked on my saliva. These are not shades that I would typically go for at all. Like, I would never be that kind of bright out there with my makeup, but that was one of my resolutions this year, that I wanted to go a little bit out there, a little bit more extra with still staying true to who I am. So I thought this was the perfect palette to test for you guys. It's amazing, and also look at how holographic it is. That's great that you get that for $4.50. 9 eyeshadows in a pretty cool piece of packaging for £4.50. I also got the Pure Blush palette. This one was £5 and it's Matte and Shimmer Blush palette. Looks like this. It's a little bit powdery now because it's been sitting in my bag and like bashed about. Every time I come in here I'm like chucking stuff out my way to get to my dressing table. But it comes with 3 blushers here, and I would consider this a highlighter. You could also use this one as kind of like a highlighter blush topper because there is a little bit of shimmer in it. But these two are matte, this one's shimmery, and this is a highlighter. And the pan sizes are absolutely huge. I know that you guys will all know what the Glow Kit looks like because everybody has used it a bunch of times. So I want to do a comparison with the size of these pans to these pans. Look, they're like dead similar. Obviously they're probably trying to dupe the Anastasia one. It's not a dupe because the colours are not the same, but the pan sizes are the same. This kind of gives you a comparison of the size of the blushers, and yeah, I'm just so excited to use this. Next up, I got a little lip gloss. This is the Amethyst Glaze Holographic Lip Gloss. It was just from £2 to £1, and I thought that that would go well with whatever kind of eye look I created using that palette because there's a lot of purple and blue colours in that. Can't say much about it. It's a lip gloss and I'm excited to use it. Also picked up another reduced item. This was £2 down to £1 as well, and this is the Splash Pro Waterproof Mascara. It looks cool because it's in like a kind of lip gloss tubey feel, but yeah, I'm really excited to use it. Just got it in the colour black. I will be able to test it out. I have had a lash lift. I've done a lash lift on myself, so I can't exactly test out, likewise with the Too Faced one, how waterproof it is in the terms of like making my eyelashes stay right up and curled, but we can still test it out nonetheless and see kind of what is the tea with the Primark mascara. And the last thing, oh I'm so sad, I feel like this video is rushed by far too fast, but I did want to just have a nice chatty chilled out video before the mad rush of Valentine's Day makeup tutorials comes upon me. This is my Perfect Colour Moisturising Foundation Stick, and I got this in the shade Nude Beige. Kyle actually tried to help me because I was like, nude beige, find me nude beige, and he was like chucking everything. We couldn't find it anywhere, but we ended up finding one little one. Don't know if this will match me. I'm just looking in the viewfinder. Looks too light for me just now, but I have got fake tan on, so we will be testing this out. Fingers crossed it's good. It was £2.50. Not holding out much hope because I've never found a decent foundation yet from Primark, but this might be the one. Who knows? If you've tried a decent foundation from Primark, or any makeup actually, that is really good, and you think I should try it out and you know that I love it, then leave it down below please and I will go check it out. So yeah, that is the end of the video. I'm so sorry it's come to an end. I feel really sad, like that was far too fast of a video. But don't worry, because there will be a new video on Wednesday, which like I say will be this makeup look. Sorry about my nails by the way. Did this hand, hated it, so didn't do this hand. I'm now waiting to take this off to redo this hand and this hand. Please subscribe if you have enjoyed the video and give it a big thumbs up for more hauls. I would do them all the time if I was rich, but I'm not, so I can't do them that often. But if you would like to see more hauls, I will be sure to try and save a little bit and buy more makeup. I mean, if you guys need to see the hauls, I will buy the makeup for you. It's a hard life, but I'll do it. Thank you again for watching and subscribing and all the support and all the lovely comments. Welcome back to my channel. Tell me who that was. Anyway, what am I even saying with my life? Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you next Wednesday with another video. Bye!